So you want to know the difference between the all dies and the 2.5 millimeter dies. Let me show you. Make sure you're using your adapter base. You're going to go ahead and take the bottom die. Go ahead and thread in your top all die. We're going to take our material. This is a piece of marine vinyl. And on this side of the fabric, we're going to be using the all die. As you can see with the all die, it has pierced a hole in both parts of the fabric. All right, so now I'm going to show you the 2.5 millimeter dies. Adapter base, bottom base. We're going to go ahead and thread in the 2.5 millimeter die. Using that same piece of fabric on the opposite side, we're going to go ahead and push down. And you'll see here is a pierced hole. It's a tiny little, I'll show you. It's just a tiny little hole here. And then for the 2.5 millimeter punch, you'll see that it actually has a perfectly round circle punched out. And this is the difference between the all die and the 2.5 millimeter die.